Many faceless social media profiles have earned over $10,000 in passive income this month. With the surge of AI, people have managed to create large social media accounts, transforming them into a self-sustaining business. Today's video will guide you to initiating similar accounts using various tools. From composing an enticing script to crafting viral videos and effectively translating those views into earnings, I've got you covered. Rest assured, this isn't your typical YouTube video. This is the one that genuinely equips you with the knowledge to earn money. So stay tuned until the end. Let's dive into the process. First step is pinpointing an AI tool you'd like to spotlight in your video. You should rely on Futurepedia.io, an ever-evolving hub of AI tools. Following a brief exploration, I stumbled upon the ideal AI tool to endorse Sonora. Sonora leverages artificial intelligence to scan through millions of job listings daily, streamlining your job hunt. In the current job market, where securing employment can be challenging, the video you're about to craft holds the potential to change lives. If an AI tool can make such a substantial impact, your video about it will likely go viral. With all those views, you'll want to capitalize on the opportunity. That's where affiliate programs come into play. After conducting some research, I uncovered the affiliate program for Sonora AI. With this program, you can earn $10 for each person you refer to the platform. To earn $100 daily, you only need to refer 10 people every day. With the strategy I'll reveal shortly, this goal becomes entirely attainable. Once your account is set up, it's time to craft your video. The initial step in this process is drafting a script. My approach typically involves collecting and transferring information from the website to a Google document. After collecting all the necessary information, I turn to ChatGPT to condense the details about the AI tool. Using the summarized content, you should then proceed to create the script. For this, we'll also utilize Google Docs. You should create a distinctive prompt for this, which you can access in the video description. This prompt streamlines the script creation process by requiring you to formulate only a captivating opening and a persuasive call to action. Once you've devised these, visit ChatGPT, input the prompt, and generate 5 scripts with the same compelling introduction and call to action. You'll utilize these scripts to formulate the final version. By amalgamating phrases from different scripts, you can create a comprehensive script. Once the script is complete, head over to ElevenLabs, an AI tool where you can produce lifelike voices at no cost. Paste the script, generate the voice, and gather the assets for your video. To augment your video's quality, search for Minecraft gameplay videos that are free of copyright on YouTube. These can be used without any restrictions. After finding an appropriate video, 1. Download it using a tool like SnapSave. 2. Search for demo videos of the AI tool, either on the tool's official website or YouTube channel. 3. With these assets, turn to CapCut, a free video editing application. 4. Import all the assets and commence the video creation process. 5. Add captions to the video. Customize the style and overlay photos and videos that align with the content. 6. Export the video, ensuring you use the highest quality settings. Your video is now ready, but how do you effectively monetize it? First, you'll create a Beacons page to host multiple links in your bio. Please set up your Beacons page, add the affiliate link, and ensure it's optimized for conversions. If you've made it this far into the video, congratulations! Most viewers only watch at the end, so you're on the cusp of unlocking a powerful strategy. Create your newsletter. This emerging business is poised to outshine dropshipping and social media agencies. Only a select few know this opportunity, but I'm here to provide all the necessary details. In a new block on your Beacons page, include the link to your newsletter, which you can create on Beehive, a platform that allows you to earn money by referring people to other newsletters. The magic happens now. You can earn passive income similar to what I'm doing by crafting videos like the one I just demonstrated. Beehive offers a boost feature that allows you to earn between $2 to $4 for every person you refer to. Newsletters, based on your niche. It costs $99 a month, but you can quickly recoup it by referring around 40 people. In the crypto niche, for instance, you can create similar videos to direct traffic to an affiliate link. As a bonus, here is a list of individuals leveraging this strategy across different niches. You can find the list in the video description, but here's the real kicker. You can also create your own Discord server to provide additional value and free blueprints for earning money. So if you're still watching, and I commend you, remember to like and subscribe. We have got exciting content on the horizon that you will want to take advantage of. Stay tuned and good luck on your journey to financial success.